Hi my loves, what's up? What are you all doing? I hope you all are doing amazing, you all are fine and you all are safe. So if you guys are new to my channel or watching this face for the first time, then hello, I am Pooja. Just a small reminder, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my top 5 makeup product which I have been trying and testing out since ages. Also guys, all of these products are like worth sharing with you all because all of these products work amazingly. And also guys, I really wanted you guys to check out on this product because all of these products are so damn amazing, and all of these products are something which I have shown you multiple times in my YouTube video. That is the reason I am at this place where I can share with you all this product plus give you my mini review on this. So guys, this video is going to be so helpful for the newbies or for someone who are planning to invest their money in all of these products. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. So guys, the first item I have with me, which is this one. So this is a PAC Spotlight Ready Liquid Concealer and I am in the shade 03 Sand, and this have 5.5 grams of product and it retails for 765 rupees. And you guys, this is such an amazing product that I have ever tried in my life because I have been using this since so long guys, and also मैंने इसको इतनी बार अपने मेकअप वीडियोस में दिखाया है, even बहुत बार recommend भी किया है because guys this product is actually and genuinely so amazing. Also guys, the texture, pigmentation and the formula, everything of this product is so damn amazing. Like it really have a good amount of pigmentation which really helps to camouflage all of the imperfection that your skin have. Also if you are someone who really love to spot correcting and just आपको under eyes पे concealer लगाना पसंद है, you are not a foundation person, give it a try for this concealer. I can honestly compare this product to any of the high-end product because this is such an amazing product. Also guys, they are available in 18 to 20 different shades, which is really not at all bad for a concealer shade range. You guys can definitely check all of the shade according to your own skin tone and your skin type and give it a try for this one. And guys, I know this is a bit expensive, but considering its formula and the way it is such an amazing product. It have such an amazing texture. It is not very liquidy, not very thick. It have such a pretty creamy texture which really glides onto your eyes amazingly. And guys, this concealer have this kind of thick doe foot applicator which really holds up good amount of product and it really helps to cover up maximum area out of your skin. So give it a try for this concealer and I'm sure you're gonna love it too like I do. So do check it out. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is this one. So this is a Color Bar Matte Illusion Blush and I'm in the shade 02 Veiled Melon. Oh my god you guys, I know I have shown you this product multiple times in my YouTube video because guys it really deserves that kind of recognition because this is such an amazing product I have ever come across. मेरे पास इतने सारे blushes है but I end up coming to this blush because this have my heart honestly. So basically guys, this product retails for around 600 rupees, but don't worry, you will easily find good amount of discount on Color Bar. Like they always run 15% off, 10% off or 20% off, even 25%, flat 25% off on Color Bar. And you guys can definitely grab this product during a sale time so it won't gonna give you any hole to your bank account or to your pocket honestly. And guys, this is such a pretty shade. You guys can already see this have such a nice dusky peach kind of color which is so amazing. And also guys, I have swatched it here. You guys can already see इसका pigmentation इतना proper है. It is not at all muddy, not at all chalky and it won't fly away. ये बहुत time तक आपके cheeks पे रहता है. Also guys, this is the blush which I am wearing right now on my cheek and you guys can see the finish. I really like this blush. Again guys, I will highly urge you to try this blush out if you guys are looking for a good blush under your budget. And guys, I personally feel like this product is budget friendly comparison to how it is made. Everything of this product is so damn good and really worth it, I feel like. So you guys can definitely give it a try for this blush. Guys, so the next item I have with me, which is this one. So this is Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara, and guys, no matter how much time I say this out loud that I really love brow mascara because they are such an amazing product. Like they are time saving, they are even money saving, and they are basically everything saving, I feel so in my opinion, because guys you really don't have to practice a lot when you have this product in your hand. I personally feel like if you guys are using eyebrow powder, eyebrow pencil pencil or brow pomade, you still need to have a good practice on that if you are a beginner, but with this one you really don't have to. Also guys, this is really affordable. It only retails for 350 rupees or somewhere around that, and you guys can definitely check this product out. Again guys, this is available in 2 to 3 different shades, so you guys can grab it according to your eyebrow color. Also guys, I have shown you my previous brow mascara which was from NYX, and I have finished it completely. So guys, obviously I have to find something alternative of that product, so I have came to this one and I really like it. And guys, all you have to do is just brush your eyebrow in the same direction as they grow and you are all sorted. You really don't have to outline it, you really don't have to feel the sparse area. This spoolie does everything basically, so give it a try for this one. And again guys, I will highly suggest you to try this baby out. Okay guys, so the next product I have with me, which is this one. So this is a K Beauty Kajal pencil in the shade Spade, and it retails for only 249 rupees, which is so good for a kajal pencil like this. So because guys, it is such an amazing kajal pencil that which I have ever tried. I really love my Maybelline one, which is in brown color. I am more of a brown kajal pencil person rather than a black one, but I really like this because also guys, I have used this today on my eyes. This has such an amazing formula. It really stays on your waterline for a good amount of time. Plus guys, it won't go anywhere, it won't budge, it won't smudge. It really stays on your waterline. Also guys, the formula and texture of this kajal pencil is so good. It really glides onto your eyes so easily. You guys can already see. Also guys, it have a good amount of pigmentation, and guys, it have such a nice jet black color to it. And guys, if you are someone who is college going person and who loves to apply kajal and eyeliner, then give it a try for this product because again guys, it's really affordable and also a little product goes a long way. So give it a try for this one. Guys, so the last product I have with me, which is this one. So this is L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick, and this have such a miraculous formula, all I can say. Like the texture, the feel, the pigmentation is so really good about this product. Like how do I explain you? And also guys, this is like something which you can use it in a multiple way. You can even use it as a lipstick, as a lip tint, as a cheek tint. Even you can apply this as a eyeshadow as well. It has such a nice watery kind of formula, doesn't feel heavy and very thick on your lips. And guys, it's really lightweight like a feather. And guys, the packaging of this product is bit unique. Like you guys can see, have this teardrop doe foot applicator which is slanted like this, so it will sit perfectly onto your lip. It will reach to the corners as well, so you guys can definitely give it a try. Also, let me give you the swatch. So guys, this is how the swatch is, and guys, this is the kind of color which is like an everyday pink nude kind of color which you can wear on a daily basis. And guys, this lipstick is quite long lasting until and unless you eat anything oily, and I think that is the case with every liquid lipstick out there. And yeah guys, this product retails for 599 rupees, but don't worry, L'Oreal again run good amount of offer on all of their product. Like they run 20% off, 30% off, so you guys will easily find this under 500 rupees, which is really not at all bad for this kind of formula and this kind of lipstick. So give it a try for this lipstick. So yeah guys, with that, here I complete my today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, interesting and informative, and if you really did so, then you know what you have to do. Just hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and guys, do let me know in my comment section your suggestion, your opinion, and what you would like to see from my end. And yeah guys, now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.